Welcome back to another important and useful video. This video is for users who have a slow PC. In this video, I will show you some tricks and settings that can turn your slow PC into a fast one. So, watch the full video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's speed up your PC together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, let's move to our first tip. The first step is to disable startup programs. Here's how you can do it. Go to the taskbar by clicking on the Start menu button. From the menu, open the Task Manager. You can also press CT or L plus Shift plus S to open it directly. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. From here, identify programs that consume a lot of resources, those marked as having high impact, and disable them. Next, let's delete temporary files that slow down your PC. Right-click the Start menu and select Run. Type temp and press Enter. Delete all files in the folder that opens. This simple step will free up storage and improve your PC's performance. Let's move to the next step, uninstalling unnecessary programs that consume storage and slow down your PC. Open the Control panel, click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Select any program you no longer need and click Uninstall. Removing unnecessary programs will help improve your PC's performance. Next, disable video effects to boost performance. Open the Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the Settings window, select Adjust for best performance to disable all unnecessary effects. This will make your PC faster. I'm not using this option as my PC is already fast. Scan your PC with Windows Security. Open Start menu and search Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and run a full scan. This keeps your system secure and fast. Next, let's optimize and defragment your disk. Open the Start menu and search for Defragment and Optimize drives. Click on Optimize to start the process. This will improve your disk performance. This was a very useful video, and I'm sure it will help speed up your PC. I've spent my valuable time creating this, so please hit the like button and subscribe. I just started this channel 3 days ago, so I'd really appreciate your support. Don't hesitate, click the subscribe button